required. Roman 1, current assets, 2 marks. Roman 2, current liabilities, 2 marks. Roman 3, liquid assets, 2 marks. Roman 4, inventory, 2 marks. That is question 1A. The first requirement is current assets. Current assets. And we have working capital, and there is a current ratio. So we are going to use the working capital and the current ratio to calculate the current assets. We know, candidates, that working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Any financial accounting students knows that working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So I'm going to abbreviate working capital WC, current assets CA, current liabilities CL. And I've said, candidates, we are going to use the current ratio and the working capital to determine the current liabilities, current assets. Candidates in Roman 1, candidates were required to calculate the current assets. Current assets. Now, candidates, if working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities, then working capital will be equal to current capital will be equal to working capital plus current liabilities. I've just made current assets the subject of this formula. All right. Then, candidates, we have the working capital, 1.1 million. 1.1 million is the working capital plus current liabilities. We need to determine the current assets. The current assets. But again, candidates, we have the current ratio. We are going to use the current ratio together with the working capital to determine or calculate the current liabilities. All right. So therefore, candidates, the current ratio, candidates, we know the formula. Every financial accounting student knows the formula for current ratio. Current ratio. The formula is current assets over current liabilities. Current assets over current liabilities, which is equal to 2.6 to 1. 2.6 to 1. Candidates, we have the current assets here. So we're going to substitute this value into this formula or this ratio. So candidates, current assets you have seen is equal to 1.1 million, this one here, plus current liabilities. We divide by current liabilities. Current liabilities. This should be equal to the current ratio of 2.6 to 1. 2.6 to 1. So we will cross multiply. We'll have, this will be equal to 1.1 million plus CL. We are cross multiplying. This will be equal to 2.6 CL. 2.6 CL. So we group like terms. We group the like terms. We're going to have 1.1 million is equal to 2.6 CL minus CL minus CL, which will be equal to 1.6. This will be equal to 1.6 CL 1100,000. Therefore, CL, we divide 1.6 on both sides, 1.6. This cancels out with that. So we have CL, which is current liabilities. The current liabilities candidates will be equal to 1100 divide 1.6. So the current liabilities 687,500. That's current liabilities. The question is current assets. Candidates, current assets, the formula for current assets, we had it. Current assets, we saw, will be equal to the working capital plus current liabilities. We have the working capital 1100,000, current liabilities 687,500. Therefore, current assets will be equal to 1100,000. Current assets 1,787,500. That's current assets. Part 2, current liabilities. Current liabilities candidates will be equal to current assets minus working capital. Is a formula for current liabilities. The current assets we have here 1,787,500 minus the working capital 1100,000. This will be equal to minus 1100,000. 687,500 is the value for current liabilities.